Hi. Okay. So, hi guys, welcome back to my live stream mukbang. It's been a while. Today I prepared some jjampong and seafood black bean noodles because if you guys are following with my life updates, I moved to a different apartment, a smaller unit. So I didn't really feel like cooking because I've been cleaning and moving and just I am sore everywhere. I'm getting old. My joints are seriously killing me. Like it's like grinding. Every morning I wake up, my hips, just all my joints are just like ugh. Past couple days it's been tough. A lot of things went wrong, so I definitely did not want to cook. Well, I wanted to initially. I wanted to introduce my new background, which I really was looking forward to, and it's really, really pretty. But I wanted to do that with cooking, and obviously, I'm not cooking today, so I am here with you guys. Okay. Okay, should I do jjampong, the soup, or the black bean first? I should mix this first. I am pretty hungry. But I do want to cut this a little bit because okay, that's good. Are you guys ready? You guys can hear me really well, right? So I got a new, well, not new, but I'm trying a different microphone for live streaming. What do I have for drink? I just have some bottled water. Sorry, I don't really have much in this house. I'm gonna do a lot of cleanup after this. Oh my. Seriously? It's like never ending. So I don't want to cut it. Okay. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. They don't even give me a napkin. With apartment tour, I'm kind of including it as my vlogmas. So if you guys want to see, just stay tuned. Mm. I'm trying to see where I can put the... How's my dog adjusting to moving? Not very well. Well, the first day, he didn't adjust very well at all. But now he's pretty good. Mmm. Guys, this is it. Oh my god, this is like... Mm. The first day I moved in, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I already had a problem with my neighbor on the first day because she was being a little sensitive neighbor. I mean, I understand that she has a problem with him barking but the way she approached me was very, very wrong, I think. I mean, she had every right to be mad. I mean, every right to be annoyed, I guess, but I don't think because she wrote me a letter saying that, oh, don't be a lazy ass and take care of your dog. If it needs help, don't lock it in the room, but like pay attention to it or something like that. I'm just like, are you like, I have a freaking tattoo of my dog's name on my arm. Like, do not tell me that I'm a lazy ass and do not care for my dog. Cannot take that. So I actually took the letter to the office and showed it to them. I told them that I can't take, like, if she harasses me one more time, I'm calling the cops. Which she actually called the cops on me because, you know, Ame was crying. He was howling. Just like throughout me moving. And she thought that we were harassing Ame. I'm like, are you kidding me? On the first day, she doesn't even know me. After I eat, I can read you guys the letter. But let me tell you, this lady, I mean, it seems like she really cares for the dog, but whatever. Here's some squid. Nom, nom, nom. I kind of like the 짬뽕 better. 짜장면. Happy moving day. Thank you guys. I'm like kind of all over the place because I have like food here. I don't know which. I have two monitors, so I'm trying to like monitor myself and trying to look at you, like read the comments too. Maybe I'll do it like this. Maybe like that. Okay. Oh, this is better. What did the office say about the letter? They said, I don't know, they weren't as surprised for some reason. I guess it happens a lot in this building. A lot of people call out each other and call the cops. Ooh, look at this shrimp. Yeah, I think she's probably like known to be that crazy woman. But the way she wrote that letter, she's like, welcome. You know, like you are surrounded by professionals and respectable neighborhood. You know, like we consider pets as our family, whatever. I'm like, no, but some of other neighbors are so cool. Where did she leave the letter? She stuck it on my door. So when my boyfriend was coming inside, he brought the letter in. But the thing you guys need to know about my apartment is that the first floor and second floor is pet dog friendly. So literally every single person in the unit, they have a dog or more. And above that, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they don't have, they either have cats or no pets at all. So I just feel like that's what, you know, that's what's going to happen and that's what you're gonna hear. And I told that to the office and they're like, it's okay, you live in a pet friendly floor anyways, so. I don't know what this is. Let's save it. But yeah, moving on. We don't have to talk about that. I'm fine. I got over it. It's just more, I got over it pretty fast. I was really mad at first, but I kind of like forgot about it instantly. But it was Tong that kind of couldn't really move on. I know I am taking it easy. I'm pretty optimistic, I think. And I'm pretty carefree. And I really don't hold grudges, but my boyfriend does. He doesn't let go. Hmm. No, I don't blame him either. I'm just saying we're just different. This is so delicious. This onion's really good. I can't see the dipping sauce. Do I have a favorite restaurant with the temple? Not here. I mean, there's really not much to choose from, so I wouldn't say that's favorite, but I do have a go-to. It's called Use Mandarin. Tuong is at work right now. So do I have a PO box? I actually used to when I first started, but I don't know. I just felt like I didn't really need it, so I got rid of it. But another crazy thing happened. So do you guys remember? Did I tell you guys when I first moved to the previous apartment, this older guy kind of yelled at me from the balcony, and he just kept yelling at me because I don't know, like I'm not supposed to be with at certain areas of the apartment with my dog. So he's like, you can't be there, he can't pee there, like all that. So like I didn't report him or anything for being like yelling at me. He could have said it nicely, right? But he yelled at me as if like he was a keeping like he. I feel like he kept looking at me and watching me over so that he could yell at me. But I didn't say anything because he was older, so I didn't report him. I just tried to avoid him. And I moved when I first moved to the newer unit. I met this one lady. She's so cool. I love her, and she has a dog too. So I ended up talking to her, and she's like, "Yeah, I know you. Your dog is like the fluffy one, right?" So we kept talking, and she's like, "Oh yeah, there's this older guy who kind of yells at women with their dog. So he only yells at women." And when they're walking the dog, like he like apparently he did it to multiple people, not just me. So I'm like, oh my god, really? Because I thought I was the only one, and I wasn't sure why it was that. Is it because my dog is big, or do I just look young and so that he feels like he should be yelling at me or something like that? But it wasn't. He just yells at women. So I guess him, the older guy, and the new lady that I met, they got into a huge argument once, and I guess he was being really aggressive with words, and she was just saying that, if you try to hit me with the cane, like, you know what, go ahead, hit me. I'm gonna hit you back and then call the police. I'm like, that is like I don't know, like her and I ended up talking for like another 30 minutes, but getting full. I'm not married. I moved again because my roommate moved out. His new job is closer to his mom's, so he thought it would be more efficient to work from there. He actually commuted for a long time, so I mean, like, obviously, we had to think about it. Yeah, so he felt like he was like losing a lot of time, like a lot of money, and the traffic sucks. So he mentioned it to us, and we're like, oh, but like we still need his part of money because we got 3 bedroom because he's living with us. So we were thinking about it. And we actually went to the office and talked to them, asking, "Hey, is it okay if we terminate? Is there any way that we could terminate?" He's like, "You can't like every other apartment, but you can transfer to a smaller unit, but obviously pay less." So I'm like, "Oh, really?" So that's what we decided to do. And now we are at a 2 bedroom. I'm gonna do a apartment tour later, and you guys will see how small it is. Personally, I like it better because I like cozier areas. Is Christmas my favorite holiday? I may really like the new place because our view is we don't see any like so our view from our apartment are just wood. It's a forest. So I think I'm gonna just doze up. Let's just like think about life. Let me eat first and answer more questions. Oh my god, am I gonna finish this? I think I could finish it. Mmm. So, you know how we moved to a 3 bedroom because Tong and I wanted to use a separate bedroom? Literally a month after, he kept like coming into my room, so we ended up living together. Or like sleeping together, I guess. So this new unit, we have 2 bedroom. and him and I, obviously sleeping together. And his brother is actually staying with us for just a couple months because he needs to find a new apartment, but he doesn't want to move during winter, you know. So we're staying with him for just like a couple more months, like 2 more months or something like that. And then for the empty bedroom, we're gonna use it for ASMR, I think. So my living room right now is my filming mukbang filming room and ASMR. Yeah, I'm done with this one. What am I giving Tong for Christmas? I don't know. We might not do anything for each other. I'm not sure. Yeah, jjampong's definitely better. The black bean noodles is much better. I don't know. This is kind of like bland. You think I'm a cat person? No. I mean, I don't mind cats. I used to really dislike them before. I don't know why. I just didn't really like cats before. But after I worked at a shelter, I'm like okay with it. I'm okay with cats, but I don't think I would ever get a cat because I'm a dog person. So, it's delicious. So delicious. Happy holidays. I don't have the energy to stuff the noodles right now. Am I doing vlogmas? So the thing about my vlogmas, I'm not doing it every day because I can't. Okay, so this is going to be roughly my uploading schedule. Are you guys listening? This is like kind of a rough draft of my uploading schedule. Monday through Friday, I am going to upload vlogmas every single day. Monday through Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I am trying to film mukbang. So Friday and Saturday for sure. Sorry. Friday and Saturday for sure I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be sharing recipes like the old days. I just needed like I just need to get back to it after I settle in. And then on Sunday, it's not going to be every week, but I'm going to film like some like fun like challenges with Tong. So that's not going to be every Sunday. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, depending on just how we are doing because I feel like we might need a day off or something like that. And for ASMR, I'm going to upload at least one a week, but I don't have a definite schedule for ASMR. I just have to see what I'm doing for Vlogmas that day, and if we're doing something that's taking the entire day, I probably can't upload or film ASMR. But if we're doing something like pretty chill, I will most likely film ASMR. So, right? So I'm pretty excited for that. Oh, it's too bad I don't have rice. What is my favorite food? I would have to say seafood. Where did I order this food? It's called Use Mandarin. I think it's only Illinois thing. I'm not sure. I don't really watch other people's mukbang anymore because it makes me hungry and I need to save it for my mukbang. So I don't really, yeah. I'm done. I'm really full. Thanks, Vanessa. Okay. Oh, I don't want this one. You will win favors when you expand your social circle. Can you see? No. Oh, thank you, Crown of Curls 82. Hi. Hi, KEEMI. Hi. Do you save your fortune cookie papers? Of course. The other day, I got your luck will change. It will change for better. Ame's right here. Ame, up, up. I'm just gonna give him a little piece. So strong. Come here, up. Right there. Or this way. Ame. Oh. I don't know which way to go. Hi, Ame. Oh, yeah, the letter. Hold on, hold on. Thanks for reminding me. I think I have it here actually. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. She wrote it on the pink paper. Are you guys excited? Look, she wrote this letter to me. And this is like a tape right here. This is the letter. Are you guys ready? Welcome! You are in a neighborhood of respectful professionals and loving people. Okay, I know. She's a... Okay, I know. People have looked at animals as part of their family. Please don't be a selfish ass or lazy when it comes to your dog. If your dog is upset, help it. Don't lock it in a room or punish it. Otherwise, you shouldn't be having a dog at all. There are tons of people... What? There are tons of people here also willing to adopt. Please love and take care of your pet. Welcome to the community. Yeah, I'm not bullshitting, guys. Seriously, this is what she wrote. I am not bullshitting. Look at this. Here. You guys read it yourself. She wrote this because on our move-in day, the first day, Amir was kind of howling a little bit because he was stressed. He needs to adjust to this new apartment. And another thing you guys need to know about my apartment is that we're on a dog friendly. So every single household in this on this floor have a dog or more, or has a dog. So I don't think it's fair that she called the cops on me because my dog was barking, and she thought that she was being neglected and being like beaten or something. I don't even know. But yeah, that was the message from her. And I haven't really heard anything from her since, but yeah, that's it. That was fun. This was really fun. I'm gonna do another live stream next week. So I hope you guys click on that alarm so you guys will be updated and know when I'm going live. And I will see you guys later. This video will be uploaded. I'm gonna edit it and then upload it. Oh, the cops didn't come. We actually caught her. One of my friends actually caught her before. She called them over because she was calling the cops front of our apartment, and my friend was able to get there on time or something like that. So, okay, bye guys. Bye.